For these problems, much like the ones in the lesson today, the animals will be requesting an order in the little speech bubble down here. You'll use the tiles, like earlier, and move them into the visual model section. In this case, it says, "Hi, I'm Henry the Hippo. I want a pizza with only meats. I like 3 times as many scoops of pepperoni as sausage." So that means that there's going to be more pepperoni than there is sausage. So I would immediately start with the sausage visual model. And in this case, it doesn't tell us how many scoops of sausage, so you get to choose a number. So for example, if you chose, let's say, 4 scoops of sausage, then you would need to take the tile for the pepperoni and need to use that tile 3 times. And so simply putting, the same value as the sausage in each square, but doing it 3 times. There's no need to resize the bars. You can keep them as squares, but you can resize by simply clicking on the tile and then dragging however you wish, but it's not necessary. And then once you've done your 3 bars and have typed in the number, then you'll come down here, type in your solution sentence saying how many scoops of pepperoni he needs.